Very good morning, class 12. So, welcome back to your English class. Today, we are going to continue the writing skills portion. Yesterday, we did article writing. Today, we are going to do the advertisements, that is the short composition. With that, you know that we are celebrating English Week. Yesterday, there was the activity related to Write Right, and you participated in that. Really happy. So, in the same manner, you need to show your zeal and enthusiasm for today's activity also. Today, you are having an activity called Turn a Quote. So, I will be giving you the topic. You need to select any one topic out of that and you need to speak on it. Now, turn a quote basically means you need to mention both the plus side of that topic as well as the minus side of that topic, right? So, you need to prepare the video for that. Or I can give you the flexibility here. If you are having any problem, talk to me, then we can have the audio file too. But you need to prepare the video only for that, right? So let's try to understand about this advertisement here. So this is a short composition. This would be of your 3 marks, right? So what basically advertisement is, let's try to understand that first. So this is the kind of public notice asking for or offering services or buying or selling thing or about missing persons or pets or any other thing. So basically, when you're providing an information to a larger audience, when you want to give the information at one go to a larger audience, then we use advertisement. It's about any services, it's about any product. So you want to convey the message to the others, right? So we are having different modes, different mediums through which we communicate with the people, like through televisions, radios, newspaper, magazines, internet now. So we give the advertisements for the several things here, right? So here you need to keep it in mind that what kind of advertisement you are having in your syllabus and how you need to write it. So you're having 2 types of advertisements. One is the display one or the commercial one. And second is called classified advertisement. One is display or commercial where you need to draw the picture of that product, which is very, very essential, right? That you have done in class 11th also. And classified is as you are just providing the information about that product or service without drawing anything, right? So we are going to understand about the classified advertisement right now. So let's try to understand about it. With that, you need to understand the few things about it. First, it will come in a box only. Secondly, your word limit will be 50 words only. Next, you need to avoid using articles or prepositions here. You need to write it in short. Next, you need to write only in phrases. You will not write the sentences. I am repeating it again. You will use short phrases. You will not write any sentences. With that, avoid having these spaces in between, because when you are giving the advertisement, classified comes in the newspaper or magazine only. So when you are giving the advertisement in the print media, they charge according to the space, according to the line. So obviously we need to avoid the spaces here because the money would be charged more. So we need to use the less space with the maximum information, right? So here we try to even avoid using these articles and prepositions as we give the messages to our friends, right? Although you will use a formal language here, but like in informal, when you try to give a message to your family or friend. So in short, you write everything. So in the same manner, you need to write, but with a formal thing. So you need to maintain the brevity here, right? So next thing you need to understand that for commercial, sorry, I have written it a display here. I would write it here. The classified actually. This is the one. Classified. So we are having categories where types of classified advertisement, like for property, vehicle, household items, sale, purchase or rent. So we are having one category, sale, purchase of any property or any vehicle or any household items, or even property or vehicle for rent also. Next we are having job vacancy, like any company is giving an ad for a job vacancy or a person wants a job, about job, right? Then matrimonial ad, where for a boy or a girl, like for a bride or for groom, you are issuing the advertisement. Then you can write even for missing person or pet, tours and travels, and educational institutions. So these are your types of classifieds advertisement. I hope it's clear. Now move to this side, format. So right now we are going to understand about, as I mentioned, classified only, and I have taken the property one. Like if somebody wants to give the ad for property, somebody wants to sell a property, how the advertisement would be there, right? So you will make a box which is very, very important. In center, in the first line, in capital letters, you will write down the title or the heading, that is for sale, right? For sale or property for sale. You can write anything here in capital letters in first line. And then from the next line onwards only, from the left hand side, your content will start. As I mentioned, no space because money would be charged. So from the next line onwards, you will start, right? So first word would be like available, required, in this manner. So available, if somebody is giving, so obviously available. If somebody wants, then you require it. So I'm giving an ad that my property is for sale, so heading for sale, available. Now you need to understand, when somebody is giving a classified ad for the property which is on sale, so what kind of details would be necessary? Obviously, I would mention about the place where I'm selling my property. Then I would mention about how many rooms are there. Then I would specify the floor, on which floor I'm selling it. Then the facilities related to it, like how my house is made, the modular one or the well ventilated one. Then whether there's a terrace or not, attached washrooms, balconies are there or not, near to the green surroundings, schools, metro station, the facilities. So you car parking, which is very important in today's time. If the floor is like higher one, then you can mention about lift facility too. If you are having a servant quarter or the servant room at the terrace or at the same place, that also you can specify. So you need to think, and then you need to write what kind of things would be available, right? So like I have written for sale, available, 3 BHK flat. A 3 BHK means B is for bedroom, 3 bedroom, 1 hall, 1 kitchen. 3 BHK flat in Rohini. So place also has been clear. 3rd floor, I have given the floor also. Attached washroom. So I am having the attached washroom with all 3 bedrooms. So this is the facility. 2 side open, right? 2 side open, is there 2 balconies there, or 2 side doors or gates are there. Well ventilated, 24/7 and water and electricity supply, which is very essential. Drawing cum dining room, fully furnished, car parking, lift facility, near metro station. You can write anything. Reasonable price, and at last contact. In contact, I have written name Ashish and the contact number. Even you can write on email ID or address if you want, but avoid writing address. Write on the name, contact number or email ID if you want. So in this manner, my ad would be finished, complete. This you need to understand. Now suppose I want to purchase. So my heading would be here, instead of for sale, for purchase, or property for purchase, or house for purchase. Now my first word would be, instead of available, I would write down required. And other things can be same. I required a 3rd floor. I required 3 BHK flat. I required a flat in Rohini. I wanted 2 side open. I want 24/7 water, electricity supply. So details would be almost same, but you need to change the things while writing it in your style, right? So you need to follow the formal style. Brevity should be maintained. Avoid using the I would say here the proper sentence. Not avoid, you would not write it, and contact details are must actually, right? So I hope advertisement is clear to you. So I'm sending you the worksheet. Do the work timely. Send it to me, and in the same manner, your Turniquet activity video should be sent to me timely. Thank you, and God bless you all.